Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin Vivoactive 5 to your phone. First, grab your smartphone and download the Garmin Connect app from your app store. Next, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Finally, power on your Garmin Vivoactive 5 device. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process, setting the stage for seamless data transfer and smart features. Once the app is installed, open it up. If you're new, create an account. Otherwise, simply log in. Inside the app, navigate to the Garmin Devices section and select Add Device. Your phone will then search for nearby Garmin devices. When you see your Vivoactive 5 listed, tap on it to begin the pairing process. This step links your watch to your personal Garmin profile. After selecting your Vivoactive 5, a unique 6-digit code will appear on your watch screen. Carefully enter this code into the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to finalize the setup, such as setting your preferences. Once complete, your device will automatically begin to sync your initial data, ensuring everything is up to date and ready to go. If you encounter any issues during pairing, don't worry. A quick restart of both your phone and your Vivoactive 5 often resolves most problems. Also, ensure your devices are within 3 meters or about 10 feet of each other for optimal signal strength. With your watch connected, you can now enjoy smart notifications, detailed activity tracking, and effortless data synchronization, enhancing your daily experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.